There is a gift exchange next week. What will you buy? I saw an S brand online. It has a good review and value, and quick delivery as well. Besides, it can be customized with patterns and lettering. I have decided to buy it online, and I have downloaded the app. Let me show you. First, we have to choose the style, capacity, output, line length, and pattern. Next, we can insert the engraved letters and send them out. When Maymay orders products, the system automatically calculates the estimated delivery date and provides it to Maymay for reference. There are two key points to calculate and reply to the delivery date in a short time. The composition of each part of the product has been standardized and componentized. When Maymay chooses the product, the system calculates the delivery date according to the preset material purchase time and production time. Then, reverts to Maymay. The order information is received and shared by ERP, PLM, APS, and MES through the middleware. Each department knows the tasks, quantities, material information, estimated delivery date, and other details, and finally responds to customers in real time. When the order is confirmed, the system will record it automatically and send a notification to Maymay. Now, she can track the order progress online. Through dynamic sales forecasting and statistical analysis, the company has procured common materials to meet consumers' demand for fast delivery. After receiving the order from middleware, ERP automatically generates the order. The APS scheduling system calculates the estimated starting date based on the estimated finishing date, arrange the MO into the estimated production plan, and generates corresponding BOM and MO according to the combination of orders. In smart manufacturing, the key points are right input, right execution, and right output. The material preparation has been listed on a material preparation Kanban. The warehouse personnel prepares materials according to the instructions and send the materials from the warehouse to the manufacturing line through automated trucks for production. Before the SMT automatic equipment loads, the system will inspect the content, record the material and batch number, scan and register the material's series number, and print the product label. During the production, preliminary inspection is carried out through automatic optical inspection, AOI. The production status of each piece is also fed back to the cloud database by the SMT machine middleware. After the batch production, the SMT machine automatically notifies the production summary to the MES system. The machine will send feedback through the middleware on the completion progress and automated report data to the ERP system to collect the data for costings. Before the human-machine coordination, DIP, the system automatically transmits the electronic manual ESOP to each workbench, displaying information such as material configuration and processing precautions. Then, the on-site personnel conduct automatic and manual scanning. The production history of each product can be completely recorded. After the assembly MO is delivered, the operator scans the run card, which records the customized information of Maymay selection, such as the shell, color, pattern, charging capacity, etc. The on-site personnel can complete the customized product gradually. The staff will label the power bank with a code to trace the production history of this unique product. The system will confirm Maymay's customized requirements and send this power bank to her. The intelligent manufacturing journey through interconnection is not an imagination, but the future.